Hello guys, good morning. Hello. Hello guys, good morning everyone. I am here with you guys. Today, okay, I promise may yung raffles natin hindi natuloy kasi busy ako nagpa-check up ng mata, nag nagpunta sa city, nagbili ng bula. I have lot things to do. I have lots. But that's why I didn't. Like my promise is failure again. But when I'm today, I want to go to the market to buy something because I need to prepare lots of things. So when I come back, we do our raffles, the orgigas, because how many failure I did. Uh, what Today is 23rd, so yeah, I need to feed my water. Yeah, it's lots, but I didn't forget. I'm still doing it because that's my uh, promise. We don't break the promise. Promise, we don't need to be break. Okay, no broken. We need to do it. But see, the problem sometimes we have lots of things to do, but our our things that need to be done, it's important. Yeah, because that's our job daily. Hello, Paul Silla. How are you doing, Paul? There's no more action there. No, the action is here. Our action is. Did you see my video that I have my nice dog? Yeah, I have my new dog. Yeah, my new dog is very cool. Yeah, try to look. Okay, I will get it and I will show you. He is so cute. Yeah, my dog is so cute. Something worth watching. Okay, I will watch this later, and I'm pretty sure they have a good things there. How are you doing, Paul? How are you doing? I want to show you my new video with my dog. Tired. I know everyone is tired. Oh my gosh, you don't even know how very hot here. Philippines is so hot, very hot. I tell you, I was so I was so depressed. But what you can do? That's the Yeah. This is my video. Uh, Somebody want to drop it. Yeah. Yeah, tired. How is the weather down there? By the way, the weather here is so hot. I tell you. Hey, Eleanor, my friend. How are you, Eleanor? Eleanor, how are you? Look at her. How are you? I'm doing all right. Oh, that's very good. How is at work? At work is very good. Nice to see you. Say hi to Paul Zella. Paul Zella, Agusi, 76 degrees, 50 humidity. Hey, wow, that's hot. I have been busy. Oh, okay, that's wonderful. I know everybody is been busy because we need to do something, right? Hey, Jerome Jones, how are you doing? Hello, Michael. You want me? Jerome, how are you, Jerome? Yeah, time for eating. Yeah, it's the growing season now. That's why. Yeah, say hi, hello to Jerome. Jerome is here. Jerome, don't forget to likes, buddy. Yes, it's very, very, very hot. Oh my gosh, I can't believe. It's a very, very what do you call this? It's very hot here. How is the driving? How is everything? Driving, the friends. Why you in the dark? I guess you do your best work in the dark. No, no, it's not the dark because the electric here is so expensive and I cannot afford it. Yeah, it's very expensive. I tell you guys. Yeah, the what do you call this? The electric here is very expensive. It's not cheap. I'm doing good. I'm busy. Oh, I see. Very busy. No, you don't do the busy way because you know what happened. We need to enjoy ourselves. Yeah. Right now I just a little bit sitting here because I didn't open my computer yet. Hey, Leticia Loperti. Say hello, Leti. Don't forget to like, Leti. How are you doing, my friend? Yeah. Leticia, hello, hello. Shout out to Leticia. Shout out to Jerome. Shout out to Paulzella. Hey, Michael, really stupid. Shout out to Eleanor. Eleanor also is here. This driving gig I'm doing with the customer, I've been home every night. Oh, really? I don't get ads. I'm special. Why you don't get ads? That's not nice. Maybe you don't watch the ads. Please, done ads. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, my very, very long time subscriber, also Eleanor, is here. So say hi to her. Please greet each other because very long time we don't see each other, guys. I've been busy and Leticia also is here. Yeah, Leticia, we having Gcash later after I'm done my what do you call this for market. I want to go to the market to buy vegetables. Yeah, I want to buy vegetables, fruits, and etc. Yeah, it's very hot here. Oh my gosh, I tell you, hot, 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 hot. Yeah, it's very hot. I'm not staying very long because I need to go to the market and I'm only stepping by here for a second. I have YouTube Premium Plus with YouTube TV. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's very busy here. Very hot, and maybe I'm not sure. They said that we're having ganon din dito host mainit. Oo, mainit masyado sobra. I'm staying only for 10 to 12 minutes and I'm gone. Okay. Um, yeah, I'm very soon gone. Hey, Jerome, I'm so happy that I see you. I'm really happy. Um, I hope you're driving very good. What is look like outside? La, that's the one. That's the one. Look likes. But we have they have aircon, so if they're very hot, I don't go out. But right now it's still a little bit early. Maybe I don't get fry. Leticia, thank you, Leticia. Yeah, Leticia, connect to Pulsilla. Pulsilla, Eleanor, Jerome. Yeah, Jerome is here, motorbike, and you know. But remember, we have a happy creator. Yeah, you connect there, Pulsilla. YouTube live. Yeah, and also what's his links. He dropped a links. Please connect to him, and he's very good supporter. Yeah, yeah, it's very. Oh my gosh, it's very hot. It's very hot. I'm so very sweating, but I try to play my hair because it's so hot. Yeah, so everyone is very. Oh, you've been live, yo, because we have a league, we have a basketball league, so that's why I didn't what do you call this? I didn't live, but I have a basketball league video. I want to upload it. Yeah. Hey, Fred Balaba, how are you, Fred Balaba? Fred. Our GCAS is very soon because the league is done already. Wala pa. No, wala pa. Ako biya kam pahibalon. I will let you know because you know na. Oh, yes. I will let you know because I'm so busy. My son have a league, like a basketball league, so I need to support him almost every day. So yeah, I'm so busy as I can't stand it. So, but I will post it again. Tamsak Spacia, Tamsak Leticia. Leticia, Paul Silla said Tamsak. Yeah, Paul Silla is very cool. They learn a little bit Bisaya or Tagalog. Yeah, you learn, huh? Try to learn, break the English. Hello, Sweetie Quadra. Thank you so much. Don't forget to likes, guys. Guys, likes. Cool. I like to watch basketball. Yeah, I will do upload to into my video long. Yeah. It's very nice you like it. My son, my son is playing with it. Yeah. So I will upload it and I will cut half and half and half. It's very I love my games that I really love is basketball. I love basketball. Basketball is my favorite. Yeah. That's why I want to do like cooking and games, something like that. Cooking games, adventures, like that. I will mix it together. Like they have a little, connected to my channel. Sweetie, thank you so much, Sweetie. You are the best. Yeah, I played basketball. I just put balls in a big basket. You're just sitting and throw the ball into the basket. That's awesome. That's crazy. Me too. I love basketball. Yeah, I love basketball. But basketball when I was uh, teenager, I love basketball. I'm not joking, but I love basketball. Okay, guys, I will see you next time, and I hope you enjoy. Okay. Hey, hello sis, hello, and the simple MBS simple one. Oh, thank you. Please, likes, guys. Okay, guys, I need to go, and I will see you later. Okay. Have a good one. Have a good day. Yeah. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys.